I stole my parody.
What?
Yo, no one cares, bro. No one cares, bro. Like, literally no one cares.
No one
And I said,
Dude, buddy, no one cares, bro. Get out, yo.
Give me,
No,
okay, go into the Discord.
Yo, give me.
It's so loud in here!
Give him.
It's so loud in here! But today's update is the biggest update ever. We got a new map, so I'll give you a Okay, we'll see what the new map is. I already have the grapple because somebody was trying to. Hey! Oh, you wanna put the new update? You wanna put the new update? What the heck is over here? We got a new summer camp. We got a new summer camp, bro.
You could go in. You could go in the doors. You could go in.
Really? Oh yeah, you can.
You have to put your hand inside the door.
Look. How do I get out?
What?
How do I get out?
Yo, who wants my OP broom?
Yo, I can't. Wait, can I have that gun?
Like this?
Yo, what the? I didn't know you can go in here. This is gonna be a future video where I'm gonna like go in here and survive. Yeah, that's gonna be
this.
But that is. Why are you giving that away?
I just don't want it. What? Jump! Go! It's an admin broom, by the way, so just saying.
Yeah, I already have two. Yo, somebody just gave me an admin broom, bro. Ah. It will be a sin that somebody killed me. Yep. Yo, guys, does anybody want to explore the map with me?
Oh, it's disgusting. Y'all, so basically, like, how do I play?
Wait, you played today? You started playing today?
No, how do I, like, play the whole game at all?
Hello? Okay. Hey, you want to check out the brand new update with me?
Yep.
Okay, get your grapplers, and I got my backpack in case there's any books I need to get.
Okay, I need a grappler in the backpack.
Oh, what?
Give me a grappler.
Okay, I'm good. I'm getting it. Chill down, bro.
Say it
Chill
away.
down, bro.
No, I need a. Give me. You give me a grappler.
Hold up, let me get it. Let me get it.
So
So we have a flashlight. I use this flashlight. This flashlight is pretty. This flashlight's pretty good. I like this flashlight because it's pretty good. We're gonna.
You're doing the code because this guy's being rude.
Okay, just friend me and join me so he doesn't come. He does friend me.
Bro, this dude is super annoying.
Friend me and join me. Make sure you don't have him friended. Got the flashlight.
Stop!
No, don't.
Stop it!
You get. Okay, join me.
Stop it!
Join
Leave
me.
the code.
Join me.
What?
But today is a brand new update. Hello? Yo, what the heck? Did he leave the game? I think he's joining. Hello? I can't join him, bro. I can't join him. Here we go, bang. Guys, does anybody want to check out the new update with me?
That's where I'm going for.
Hey guys, who wants to glitch a business bomb? Blue.
Black,
Can I have that black, please? Can I please have that?
Yo,
black?
I'm trying to,
Yeah, I
go to
stole
the
it
new
from the
map.
bomb. That's glitch abusing.
Someone made it 4th of July.
No, I know. Hi guys. How?
Yo, what's up?
How? Oh, how do you join the same code I go?
What?
And go to the brand new update.
What are you doing?
I'm just going to the brand new update.
Hey.
How do you know
Wait,
the
what
code
is
I
me
joined?
doing? Wait a minute. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, what's up?
So, wait, do I know you?
Yeah, I know you,
Yep.
but
Oh wait, you're my friend. You're my friend.
Yep.
Wait. Look,
But
I already added.
I added.
If you want to add my private code until we time to go to the new update.
Hey, I didn't know you.
You're gonna go to the new
Hey,
update?
I didn't know you were in here, bro.
If there's any monsters, I'll help.
Okay,
You wanna
okay,
go
yeah.
first?
We're gonna go to the new map
Okay, I'm gonna put this in my stash real quick. Okay.
because apparently
big
there's some new
flashlight.
items we can get.
Take that flashlight where I get you this. I got you this though.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Ah. A little bit.
That thing is like
This.
this.
I'm gonna put it in my
This is the best flashlight in the world. Like,
Yep, it is.
I don't think you want to go check.
No.
How you got his slots?
You have to buy them. They cost 5.
I try and I can't. Okay, you
cost
can have
5.
the big flashlight.
No,
Where's the
I
big flash? Okay, I'm back.
I already have them. I'm just putting it in my bag.
Wait, can one of you get me a
Apparently
grappling hook?
there's a new update.
Can one of you get me a grappling hook?
Yes, sir.
Give him a. I might be able to buy it. I might be. Give him a grappler.
Chill down.
But,
Okay, I'm good.
But
gonna buy
Blue,
two.
the grappler is super expensive.
No, I have
you can
I
hang on
afford
a-
it.
Guess what, guys?
I have 2
I have a
million.
lot of galaxy grapplers. My cousin's super good
Okay,
at
guys,
this
let's go
game.
see the brother. Oh my god.
I'm his uncle.
I should meet him. I should meet
Better
him.
not kill with that. I'm not gonna kill you. If you talk one more time, I'm gonna kill you. Guys,
Yeah, don't be mean. Don't be mean to him. I know him, but
I'm
I
not.
unfriended him because
He did kill you? He kill you under.
no, we had an argument.
Okay, let's go to the. Let's go to the brand new update.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, they have a brand new update. Now you have to go to that. Damn, it's nighttime.
Let's go.
Literally nighttime.
But don't
I'll
be
leave
mean
that
to him or else he'll kill you.
Hey, stop killing me. God, like
What do you mean? You haven't even died once. Okay,
I
let's go.
see him point the gun at me.
I haven't seen him.
Guys, I want to tell you something. When I joined the code E, guys, when I joined the code E1, I saw Days Don't Die and now it's alone. Sometimes. And I got scared and leave.
Okay, maybe it was a fake Daisy.
Wait.
Because there's a lot of fake.
Wait. Who won the You got the T touch. Don't touch
He got the T-shot. Wait, what?
He got the T touch. Stop!
You have to die if you have the
Stop killing
touch.
us!
No, he did.
Stop reporting you!
Okay, don't kill him. It's okay. He doesn't have
Stop
to.
reporting.
He
I
He
saw
doesn't
him
have
point
the
the gun
snake.
at me. Let's go.
He doesn't have the snake.
I
He
have the snail hat. I have the snail hat. I have the snail hat I can show you.
Yo, I have to
Now
meet your cousin. I didn't even know you had a cousin. Hold up.
What if they kill?
Yeah, I didn't know he was in this code. Well,
Guys!
What? What do you want? I haven't.
Right now. Come here right now. What is this, Mike?
Yo! What the heck? Wait a minute.
Guys,
Look, there's like a little like thing there. There's like a little clack. We should explore. Wait a minute. This looks like the hell map. Oh, it is the hell map. Hold up, go up. Go up. Oh, it's just a close thing. Let's go down, guys. What the heck? Yo, this place is bigger than I thought, bro. Yo, hello? Oh. Let's go. Come on. Okay.
Wait for me.
Okay, guys, let's just jump down, okay? Because I don't have all day. It's okay if you step in.
Oh, man.
Let's see. haven't seen you in so long.
You didn't wait. Me either. I haven't been online in a while. But you didn't wait for
yeah.
me.
Guys.
But you didn't. Ow.
Guys, there's
but you didn't wait for me. Where's the chicken?
There's the chicken.
Hi, chicken.
Hi, chicken. Don't hurt us, please. We'll just see. Yo, what the heck?
Bro, what is that?
Yo. Wait a minute. Someone told me there was a code somewhere. And I don't know where. Yo, is there like anything here?
Guys, I can't see you.
Guys, don't worry, I got you. They really should have put paint.
Guys, I heard. Oh my God.
We should make videos together, Pink. I'm recording right now. Yep. I record video right now. If you wanna do recording for
Danger dandine.
Don't touch the landmines. Okay, we're here, guys. We're here. Guys, it's time for us to go to the lab. Okay, go quick because this is really cool. Go, guys. Where's the other person?
You're blinding me.
Oh, sorry.
Ow, that thing blinds me. I think I'm gonna go blind. By the time we're done with this.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Okay, we have to watch. There's there's a taste. Hey, it's okay.
Is that a cursed chicken?
Nope. Bro. Oh shit, they found us. Okay, as soon as they close, we're gonna go. Go! Don't go yet! Hold up, I'll be there in a second. Be there in a second.
Wait! No!
Hold up, wait for that to drop. Go back. They sometimes close. Let's go. Okay, well, you don't have. Don't. Of course. Now we're dead. Yo, what's up? Okay. I think I know the code. Actually. Let's go. You can't kill this thing. You can. Boat.
Dun.
You can't grapple on that, so how are we supposed to get it the heck out? Go. Don't go yet. Okay. Yo, shoot! Wait a minute, what the? Yo! We have to wait for them to
That's done.
Yo, what? Yo, how are we supposed to kill them? The strongest. How are we supposed to hit them? Oh shoot! Wait. They're blocking the entrance. Oh shoot, they're right there. Hold up.
Wait, You're Spider-Man. You can be Spider-Man.
Okay, guys. What the?
What's the code?
Are you kidding me? We have to find the code. Let's go. Let's go. We'll look around. Let's go find the code. What the heck is behind? Yo! There's like a secret spot. I wish there was like a cosmetic over there. Okay, we got a big flashlight so we can see the code.
How are people in here?
I actually don't know.
What do you mean, where are you? Where are you?
No, there's no people in here. I have to find the code, though. I hate finding codes. Do you? Yeah, there's like little landmines. No. Yo, good, but yo, there's a bunch of spots. Oh, I think that's the item. Okay, maybe we haven't looked up. We found something. 9. So, okay, count that in your head. So it's the end. It's the end. So it's the end. The N is 9. Okay, the N is 9. Oh shoot! What the?
What the?
Why is his head like that, bro? Bro, don't come over here! Don't come over here! Okay, never mind. It's not over here because it's really different. Yo. Go, go, go. Let's see. Over here. Over here. But we almost just died. If we would have been over there, then we die. Let's go.
I know.
Wait a minute. Did you see like a paper thing? Wait, do you know the code?
Yeah, what?
Do you know the code?
No.
So the end is 9. So it better be 3 is the start. So we have to... Okay, 9 is the end. Hey, Pebble, wait, count that in your head. 9 is the end. 9 is the end of the code. So we have to... second end. I mean, yeah. Second end. I actually don't know where. That's a new way. Yo, there's a... Oh, I hit my wall. Okay.
Over it.
This is a long way, but it will work. Never mind. Wait a minute. Water doesn't hurt you. So we could have just swim this whole time.
No.
Yo, we have... What the heck are those spiky things?
The
Okay, we have to... Oh, let's go up to the chicken. Go, go, go! Oh. So, 7 is the start. Pink, where are you? Pink, I found another code. The start is 7. And the end is 9. What the heck? Pick this up. Come here, I found another code. Get up, get up, get up. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Over here. And 9 is the end, 7. Wait, can we just guess it? Can we just guess it?
Yeah.
Let's just guess it. Okay, can you keep it in your head? Can you keep
7?
7 is
There's
the
a 7.
start, 9 is the end. Okay. 7 is the start, 9 is the end. And we cannot have the 1 in the end. Why is a chicken here? Should a chicken be in our nest? Taking care of the eggs.
Huh?
Should the chicken be caring for her eggs? Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
If you want to come, then come. Yo, I love that they leave this whole entire forest. Are you coming? I'm gonna wait for you. Okay, there we go. Go. Ow! I just almost touched the landmine. That was awesome. Come here, go. Okay, wait for the. Come here. Pink, wait for that to shut. Wait for that to go down. Okay, let's go. Go. Yo. Insane, bro. Okay, go. Don't go yet. Go. Don't go yet. Did you die? Hello? Wait. I thought you died. Okay, wait for that to close again.
Okay, closing.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I think. Yep. Let's go. Okay, we have to guess the code. Oh, wait. Okay.
7. I don't know, try 1.
I already did it. 2. I'm trying to play.
There's a latch. There's a wire. There's a wire connected.
No, it's okay. We can do it.
There's wires.
7. What's it? 4. 5. Oh, we did it! Oh, wait a minute. We didn't have to do that puzzle, bro. We didn't even have to do that puzzle. Oh my! What are they doing? Like, what are they doing? Oh, I thought these were gonna be not grappled.
Dude, you know you can grapple on this one.
Yeah, I know. What do you mean? Security. Animal. Oh shoot, we're gonna get tickled. Wait, oh. Wait, oh no, I'm a little bit scared. Wait, go in the elevator. There's an elevator. Let's go.
Where are we going?
I have no idea. I never played this before. I haven't played this before. Oh, go up, go up, go up. Go up, go up. Go up. Items. Do we want to open this door?
I don't know. You go.
Please be. What the heck is this? Oh, wait. Wait a minute. This is like the thing where it's so like the. What the? Wait, grab the crowbar. Hold on, let me just grab this. Grab the crowbar. What do we do with it? I don't know what we do. I next. Wait, I think I know what to do. I think you have to break the glass. Oh yeah, I did. Because items were glass. Oh, we'll go in. What the? Ah! Shoot! Oh my God! I just almost. What the heck is this thing?
Throw this.
Wait, don't put it in. Oh, wait a minute. What the heck is this? Okay, wait a minute. Hold up. Let's go over here. Whoa, what the heck? Yo, this looks like a lot. Damn. Hold up, let me turn my light on. Hello? What the heck? Hey, Pink, are you coming?
I'm not Pink. I'm
Okay, let's just go because I'm so confused. I'm scared, bro. I actually don't know. Should be a music though. Oh, wait, come in. I actually don't know where to go. What the? Do you have your crowbar? Shoot! Go, go, go! Run! What the? Ah! We forgot to bring our crowbar. Shoot! We should have bring our crowbar. Shoot. Let's just go back, okay? What is? Wait, what the heck? We have to use this for a crowbar, bro. Do you have your crowbar still? Wait, try to shoot the boxes. Try to shoot some. Try to shoot these. Shoot these. What the?
Yes. 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 No. 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 Yes. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. No. Yes. Yes. No. 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 No.
Okay, play it.
No. No. No.
Oh shoot, he found us! Use your gun!
Shoot, he found us.
Use your gun! Use your gun!
Here's the gun. Dead bitch.
Wait! Wait, get a item out of it. Wait, we got a crowbar.
Come on.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you get that one, I'll get...
No. Yes.
Hey, Purple, can you help me with this one? What do we? This is very hard.
Yes.
Wait, hold up, wait, can I do it?
Yes.
Can I do it? This is
I wanna
easy.
do it.
But I was,
Yes.
Okay.
but
I'm gonna
open
do
this.
one.
Okay, good. I did it! What the heck are these things, bro? Hold up, let's fill these up. Wait, put this in my bag.
Yes.
We're gonna try to, okay, do that minigame, but you're
No.
gonna post in.
No. Yes. No.
Okay, I gotta go about this in case they come.
Yes.
Okay, I can do this one. I'll do this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, get it here. Put it in my bag.
How do you do it?
Put it, you just had it. Okay, just put it in my bag, okay?
Okay. What?
Now you grab with the potion, so we can put the potion in the machine.
Why?
Because we have to see what it does, actually. We can't, oh shoot, I forgot, sorry. We have to find more of them. We can, find normal. Okay, you wanna go for the potions or go back? You wanna go for more potions or come back? Go back.
I want to go back and grab. I want to see what we have to do.
I don't want to do a mini game again because I'm not good with wireless games, but this one. Okay, let me just put it in the machine. Okay, one is for me and one's for you. Okay, this is yours. Okay, this is yours. You got a little. Oh wait, what? Oh, I got one too! We're matching! You wanna go back?
Yeah.
Actually, you wanna do one more? Wait, Pink, you wanna do one more? Pink, you wanna do
Wait,
one more?
do we have any more potions? Is there any more potions?
Nope. We have to go. Oh, they have backs. You wanna go?
Okay.
You wanna leave or go?
In order to go.
Okay.
This is the respawn.
Okay. Okay. You wanna go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Stop.
Okay.
Wait, do you want to go to the end credits? Do you want to go to the end credits? Do you want to go to the end credits?
What's the end credits?
Come here in order. It's in the snowy mountain.
Do not join the code.
Remember that place?
Yours. This is yours.
Just join the code, right?
Wait, how do you get that?
You have to get it from the machine, but it's difficult, so I gave it to you. Because it's really hard to get.
Wait, how do you get it?
And I don't know what it gives to.
How do you get it from the machine?
I already have like stuff in my inventory, so bye-bye. And make sure to accept my friend request. Bye-bye.
Wait, where are you going?
Until a mod code.
Stop it
Yo,
there.
what's up? What are you doing?
Wait, can I come into the modded code?
Yeah. But I just need to do my end credits. Guys, this is all that is for the video. I hope you like and subscribe. And we got like I give this guy wait. I give my friend
I just told you yesterday.
a golden
So
thing.
F. I told you to join the
So
code.
like and subscribe and join the fun. And
Right, I thought you said like 30.
yo, what is happening, bro? How did you join
Wait,
this
I want to see what
code?
they added though.
How did you join this code?
All I do is put an F.
Yo, what is happening?
Oh, really?
Okay, join me. Join code LLKK. Join me.
No.
And then that's it. Bye bye, guys.
That's like a 3-year-old.